In this video, we will look at operators in Excel. So there are two types of operators, comparison operators and logical operators. So in this video, we will cover comparison operator, and this would be the part 1 of operators. And in the part 2, we will cover logical operators. So here I have created a table. In that I have given the examples, how this operator works, operator, and the terms, what we call it. And then we will look into this examples, that how to use the operators. First, we will understand what all operators are available in Excel and what we should call it. Okay, so this is equal to sign, and if you are using less than or greater than sign together, so this is not equal to sign. This is less than, then it is greater than, and if we are using less than equal to, so this is less than or equal to sign, and this last one is greater than or equal to sign. So first we need to understand what exactly this will return. So here basically we need to understand this is a comparison operator. So this will compare two values and it will return true or false. Okay. So let's see how to do that. Here we have two columns, number 1 and number 2. Okay. So first we will use equal to sign. So if you're writing any formula in Excel, so formula starts with equal to sign. So we will write is equal to the first number we have 25 in D5 cell. Okay. Again, we have to compare, is it equal to or not? So we will press again equal to, and then we will give the second number reference. So it is E5 and hit the enter. Now you can see this is returning false. That means both the values are not equal. Okay. Let's suppose if we change the value here like 83. Now you can see the result is true. That means both the values are equals. Okay. Similarly, we will check for not equal to. Again, we will write is equal to the first value, and we will give the not equal to sign, and then we will select the second value, hit the enter. It is returning true. That means 25 and 70 is not equal. Okay. Now if we change the value, like if we put here 70, then it will return false. Okay. Because both are equals. Okay. And we have used not equal to comparison operator. That's the reason it is returning false. Okay. Now the next operator is less than. So we will check here is equal to value 1 is less than value 2. So yes, we can see here 25 is less than 94. So it will return true. Okay. The next operator is greater than. So again, we will write is equal to first value greater than second value, hit enter. It is returning false. That means 25 is not greater than 32. Okay. That's the reason it is returning false value. Now the next operator is less than or equal to. So here we will write is equal to first value less than or equal to sign, and then second value. So it is true. So 25 is less than 29. Okay. Let's suppose if we make it 29, then again it will return true because this both values are equals. Okay. So in case of the value is equal or less than from the second value, then it will return true. Now the last operator we have greater than or equal to. So simply we will write is equal to, then we will give the first value, we will write greater than or equal to sign, and then we will pass second value, hit the enter. It is showing false. That means 25 is not greater than 44. The comparison is false. And one tip here also, like you can use these operators with the text value as well. So let me show you how we can use that. Let's suppose here we have a name Mike, and again we write here Mike. Now if we compare both the values, if this equals to this, it will return true. Okay. So here I have a task for you. You can use all other operators, okay, with the text value, or you can use any different examples to compare this, okay. And if you face any kind of problem, any kind of issue, and if you're not able to understand how this is comparing that value, so you can comment below and definitely I will reply you on that. So this is the part 1 comparison operator, and I will see you in the part 2. If this video is informative for you, you can like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.